I could have gone with Bruce, but I went with John.
That one sounds good.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna ask you to.
It's a good card.
It's a good card. Everyone can see it's not. Oh, everyone can see it's not the kind of thing. Is that a normal quarter?
Yep, that is a normal quarter. No, it's not. Ooh, pretty. That's cool.
Do me a favor. Put your hand.
That's awesome. I like that a lot. That's really good. Is that yours? Very well done.